الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة ولئن أتيت الذين أوتوا الكتاب بكل آية ما تبعوا قبلتك وما أنت بتابع قبلتهم وما بعدهم بتابع قبلة بعد ولئن اتبعت أهواءهم من بعد ما جاءك من العلم إنك إذا لمن الظالمين. Translation. And even if you bring all the signs, revelations to those people who are given the book, they would not follow your qibla. And nor you can be follower of their qibla, nor would they be followers of the qibla of others. And if you follow their desires after all this knowledge has come to you, then certainly you will be among the unjust transgressor. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and some of the sincere Muslims had a wish in their heart that if there is a sign or revelation or a very strong argument that we can give to Jews and Christians, maybe they will accept Kaaba as their qibla. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent this ayah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told us that if the disbelief is deep seated in someone's heart, then if you give all the arguments and all the signs in the world, they would not accept the truth. So the Jews and Christians would not follow the Qibla of Muslims, no matter how big the sign or how strong the argument you give. On the other hand, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told the Jews and Christians that do not hope that Muslims will follow your Qibla. And it is interesting to see that Jews and Christians sometimes join each other against Muslims. However, they do not follow each other's Qibla. The Christians' Qibla is the direction of east, while the Jews' Qibla is the Hakel in Baitul Maqdas, and they do not follow each other's qibla, and nobody is willing to leave their qibla. So how come Muslims can leave their qibla? And Muslims follow the qibla of the prophet, that all Jews, Christians, Muslims, they acknowledge and they believe in it, that is Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, and his qibla was Kaaba. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَلَئِنِ اتَّبَعْتَ أَهْوَاءَهُمْ. And if you follow their desires, after all this knowledge has come to you, then certainly you will be among the unjust transgressor. Here, apparently, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is addressing Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, but in reality, it is for those who might have some doubts in their hearts due to the false stories of the Christians and Jews, and due to their mission that they may make Muslims back to the Baitul Maqdas as their Qibla. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that if anyone follows their desire their desires they will be included as transgressors. And this is an important message also in general, that if someone is very strong on the kufr Allah might have sealed their hearts because they might have understood the truth and then denied the truth. And these people, no matter how strong the argument you give, or how strong the sign you show, they will never accept the truth. So let's pray that Allah make our hearts soft and always open our hearts for the truth. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.